Welcome, class. This is how you create the cover for your notebook in Microsoft Paint. First, we're going to start by pressing the Start button. We're going to click All Programs. Use the scroll bar if you cannot see the Accessories folder to scroll down. Choose Accessories. Choose Microsoft Paint. When Paint opens, there are two things you'll need to do. First, you'll need to size the picture so it fits on the cover of your notebook. The size is 800 by 1000 pixels. To change that, click the blue button at the top. You're then going to click Properties. Change the width to 800 and the height to 1000 if they are not already. Then click OK. Now you're going to click the Text tool, which is the letter A on the Home toolbar. Toolbars let you switch between features within the program. Selecting the toolbar, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to begin typing the information, beginning with my name. First name and last name, then type Engineering, Design, Journal. Technically, this is called the Engineering by Design Journal, so I'll put the word by in here. You don't have to capitalize that. Now, by pressing Enter and space, I can space these words out on the page. But at the end, I'll show you how you can move them around individually. Continue to press Enter and put in your grade. And then type in your teacher's name, your homeroom teacher's name. In this case, I'll use Mrs. White. You can see how I'm using the space bar to move these words around. However, if I click off of the text, it will then become an image, and I can no longer edit this text. If I type something, it's going to type over my other text. To type over text, change the text box background from transparent to opaque. That will make it cover up the existing text. If you need to correct anything, please make sure that your font size is size 22 before you begin typing. And if you wish, you can make your text bold, which will make it a little bit darker. Do not change colors. Leave the text black, as we will be printing in black and white. You may change the font slightly, but don't choose anything too crazy and unreadable. So that's about done. Now, if you do need to move part or all of your image, click View, zoom out at least once or twice so you can see the text. Click the Home toolbar, and then click Select. From here, you can select the main block of your cover page and move it anywhere you want on the page. Try to center it in the middle of the page and bring it up slightly over the center of the page, like so. Click off to let go of your selection, and you may press View and zoom back in to see your work. And again, you can move this in any zoom level. If you need to move individual lines, be very careful, but select the line you need to move, as I've done here. Click above, hold, and then drag and click below. And then you may move that line anywhere you need to go. Be careful that when you're moving your text, that you do not select part of your text, or you'll break your text like so. If this happens, press the Control button and the Z button at the same time to undo any changes. When you're done, save your drawing by pressing the blue menu. Press Save As. Select your 890 drive from the My Computer location. Click Computer, and then your 890 drive. Should say 890 and then your student ID number. My sample says 890, 890, 890. Inside this folder, you're going to name this cover. I'm going to call this cover and press save. I already have one, so I'm going to replace my old version. Now I'm going to close this and wait for the next step. Great job.